A very good afternoon to one and all who are here, especially to my very special invitees from abroad, Lutfi Hassan. I'm honored by your presence, Deputy CM sir. Kapil Dev, Deputy DMD sir is here, and Madam CGM is also here, and many others. And I would like to acknowledge the presence of the world champion Malati Holla. Where are you? She's on a wheelchair. Where is she? Yeah, she runs a foundation of which I'm a very patron, and thank you very much, Malati Holla. Padam Shri, where are you? Can I see you somewhere? Can we see you? Oh, there you are, seated. Yeah, she's on a wheelchair. She runs a foundation, Matru Foundation, of 14 children all on wheelchair. They roll the children of the labor class parents and human service. I have been, normally I don't talk about who my fans are, but I have become her fan after knowing what she does to those wheelchair children, 14 children. Of course, I would have liked to acknowledge the presence of Mr. Rajiv Reddy, the country club managing director. Thank you so much. He has come all the way from Hyderabad. And of course, Mr. Sudhir Babu. Mr. Sudhir Babu, thank you so much for coming over from Dubai all the way just for this launch of my autobiography. The entire gathering of all of us here. Thank you so much for coming on to this wonderful occasion of mine. And I'm overwhelmed. I have no words to thank you all for spending so much of your time on a Sunday where you're supposed to be relaxing at home, recuperating